Welcome to this module on the dashboard and its elements. Let us learn how to use the dashboard module to navigate and interpret the portal and its features. Click on the Login button. Move your mouse over the menu panel on the left to expand it. The menu panel will expand to show you the different menu items. From the menu panel, click the menu item Dashboard. The dashboard page appears on the screen. This page displays your 24 hours activity, your company's 24 hours activity, the overall activity in the portal, and the quick link section where you can access modules that are important for you. You get to also access the Match My Inventory Hits report, broadcast summary, your watch list report, and the RFQs which you have sent and received.